Hello, welcome to Fusion Cooking channel for another great video of breakfast recipes. Today Fusion Cooking channel presents 6 healthy, easy to make and very tasty breakfast recipes. The first recipe is peanut butter sandwich. Take half a ripe banana, cut into thin slices. Banana is very filling and very tasty. We are taking peanut butter. Spread the peanut butter evenly. Take about 1 tablespoon for each sandwich. It gives the protein part. Spread the coins of banana evenly. Add honey for extra taste and seal it with the other toasted bread. We are taking whole wheat bread here, already toasted in toaster. Cut it into half so that it will be easy to eat for the kids. This is a very good breakfast sandwich recipe. This is cheese and veggie sandwich. Take a slice of bread and spread butter evenly on one side, not on both the sides. And on the second piece also we are going to do the same thing. We have taken whole wheat bread here, any bread will do. On the butter side, keep it on the warm pan and spread any cheese. We are spreading American cheese here. Slice thinly some bell peppers or shimla mirchi. Add onions. Add a thin layer of cheeses. We are using pepper jack and Parmesan cheese mix here, and keep the other one on top and turn around the sandwich so that the butter side will go on top of the pan. Toast it slowly on medium-low heat and cut it evenly. This is a very tasty breakfast. Kids will love it, and it's balanced with veggies and protein. The next recipe is potato sandwich. Take a fully boiled potato, mash it a little bit, add bell peppers, cilantro, salt, pepper and chili powder if you like, or chaat or garam masala optionally. Mix it well and then take it and spread it evenly on the slices of bread. Add extra pepper if you like. Add a thin layer of grated cheese. This is mozzarella and cheddar cheese combination. Put the other piece of the bread on top. You can toast the bread on stove top. On a pan, add a thin layer of butter and just toast it on medium-low heat. Add butter on top of the sandwich so that once you turn it, you can toast this side as well. So the cheese inside melts nicely and it will add extra flavor to the sandwich. It turns out very tasty, very juicy and very healthy as well. Let's make avocado sandwich here. Take 2 loaves of bread and toast them on stove top. Take a boiled egg. Slice it into thin pieces, something like this. You can make them slices with knife as well. Take a ripe avocado, cut it into half. Avocado is a superfood. It's very tasty and goes well with so many recipes, particularly the sandwich recipe. Scour out the avocado and spread it evenly on top of one slice of bread. Spread the slices of egg on top. Add seasoning like pepper. You can add something like a ranch dressing as well on top. This is very tasty, very healthy and very balanced breakfast or lunch sandwich. Let's make egg sandwich now. Take out the egg yolks in a small bowl. Mash them. Add mayonnaise. Add a little bit of salt and pepper seasoning. Add cilantro. Mix them well and slice the egg into thin pieces. Add it to the egg yolk mix. This makes the protein part of the sandwich. We're adding mayonnaise to make it like a good even consistency and moist and make it extra tasty, and cover it with the other slice of bread. Cut it into half and enjoy. This is yogurt vegetable sandwich. Take thick curd or plain yogurt in a bowl. Add bunch of veggies like carrot, bell pepper, tomato, onion and cabbage. We slice them into thin pieces. Add cilantro. You can use whatever veggies in hand. Season it with salt and pepper. These are all easy to digest and healthy vegetables you can consume directly without cooking, and they goes really well with the curd or yogurt. So make it little thick and spread it evenly on the sandwich. In summer and for lunches, this will be a great food. It has a nice balance of protein from yogurt and bread and veggies. Very healthy breakfast or lunch sandwich recipe for kids or for office goers. If you are watching till now, thank you very much. Hit like button, share your comments below, and forget not to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Bye now.